This is a magnet which I am removed from speaker. This is a very rare mercury tube, red mercury tube. This is a old antique coin as a rice pulling coin. Once again I will show you. This is a magnet only. The mercury also not attractive with the magnets. This is the coin, and this is an antique, very old coin. This is a rice pulling coin. You can see the coin also pulling the red mercury tube also. This mercury tube I collected from old radio, vacuum tube type radio. Yes, you can see the coin pulling towards the mercury tube. Yes, this is a very powerful coin. This is 100% real magic. Yes, the magic power of the coin. This is a very rare mercury tube from old radio.